Jack, an often overlooked existence, yet its value is irreplaceable. When the vehicle breaks down halfway and gets into trouble, it quietly shows up like a savior. It is made of high-quality metals and has an extremely solid structure. Its unique and ingenious design enables it to easily handle the heavy vehicle body. Even in harsh environments, such as the roadside with fierce wind or the muddy path, it can function stably, whether it's for an emergency tire change in an unexpected situation.